Meaning of digital.
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 Digital. Digital refers to something that operates using numerical values or codes, rather than analog signals. In the context of technology, it usually refers to electronic devices or systems that process and store data in a binary code format of zeros and ones. This enables the information to be transmitted and manipulated more efficiently and accurately than traditional analog methods. Digital technology has transformed many aspects of modern life, from communication and entertainment to healthcare and finance, allowing for faster and more precise data processing, increased accessibility to information, and greater convenience for users.